to Amish-Style Cooking and Baking under also the name of Miriam's Baked Goods. I just feel like the Revolution Car Club is a really good thing to be with, to help support, because you guys are there for the community, help raise money for different good causes, and I like to help if I can, and I really enjoy it. If it wasn't for the community, I don't think that I would have much of a business, just for the fact that our community is a very supportive community and they are amazing at helping independent businesses. I was at Mountaineer Casino. I know it rained. It wasn't the best turnout, but everybody thought it was going to be a better turnout, but that just made memories. Just a wider, like a more expansion on just getting to meet more people. I am a one-person operated business. That first event, I loved it. And I told Randy, like, you guys went on that slide. It was wet. Nobody wanted to be the first person to do it. Everybody's like, eh. And then you guys went on there, and it was like, that just kind of broke the ice. And everybody that would have went on there that day, that's a memory they'll never forget. I'm a big supporting community person. Like if someone needs for fundraisers and stuff, helping community. And that's one thing how I feel that it's very important. There's a couple wonders. One is caring, supportive, and that all ties in with everything else I've been saying.